Good day guys, I am Catherine May Moring. So I am here creating a short video presentation to discuss the DNA structure and its step-by-step process. So first, let us talk about what really is a DNA. So here. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, DNA is a short term for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a substance that carries genetic information in the cells of plants and animals. Also, it is a nucleic acids that are usually the molecular basis of heredity and made by a double helix. It is made up of millions of nucleotides. These are molecules composed of a deoxyribose with a phosphate and a base, or nucleobase, attached to it. The bond form is between the third carbon atom on the deoxyribose sugar of nucleotide and the fifth carbon atom of another sugar on the next nucleotide. Henceforth, it is simply called the 3' and the 5' direction. So there are 4 different bases associated with DNA. And these are the cytosine that is binds together with the guanine, and adenine binds to thymine. Then these two strands together form a double helix. DNA replication can be thought of in 3 stages. First is the initiation, which is initiated at particular points within the DNA strand known as origins, which are specific coding regions. It forms the replication forks and has the enzymes, which is the DNA helicase, RNA primer, and the DNA polymerase. Second stage is the elongation, which is that once the DNA polymerase has attached to the original unzipped 2 strands of DNA, it forms 2 strands, which is the leading and the lagging strand. The lagging strand is an antiparallel and is therefore read in 5' to 3' direction. Instead, as the helix unwinds, RNA primers are added to the newly exposed bases on the lagging strand, and DNA synthesis occurs in fragments, but still in the 5' to 3' direction as before. These fragments are known as the Okazaki fragments. The third stage of DNA replication is the process of expanding the new DNA strands continuous until there is either no more DNA template left to replicate, or 2 replication forks meet and subsequently terminate. So, that's all for my short video guys, and I hope you learned something from what I have discussed about the DNA structure and its step-by-step process. Thank you, God bless, and keep safe everyone.